Hello, good night to all of us. My name is Marcelino Yudia Ginting, grade 12 at High School Satu Padu Boarding School Tigajuar. I will deliver a fairy tale about folklore to meet my English practice test. Hope we can understand it. Timun Mas fairy tale, a deal with a giant. Mbok Sarni lives alone in a quiet forest. He really wants the presence of a child. Every day she kept praying, Lord, please give me a child. One day, a giant who happened to pass by heard Mbok Sarni's prayer. With a thunderous voice, the giant said, I can grant your wish easily, but of course there are conditions. Do you want? Asked the giant. Okay, I'm willing, said Mbok Sarni. Even though his heart was afraid to see a giant and scribe figure. Take care of the child that I will give you later. Give him lots of food to be fed. I will pick him up when he is 6 years old, said the booming giant. There is no other choice. Mbok Sarni accepted that condition. The giant gave him a handful of cucumber seeds to plant. The seed grows and bears fruit in a short time. Within a few days, a cucumber tree grows in front of him. There is a beautiful baby girl. The baby was named Timun Mas because he was born from the golden cucumber. Currently, Timun Mas is 6 years old. Mbok Sarni wants to cook yellow rice as a Thanksgiving. While he was busy in the kitchen, the earth shook like giant footsteps. This is bad, the giant have arrived. Look, Kyle, Timun Mas left. I have to find a way to get rid of the giant, said Mbok Sarni to himself. Hi, old mother, come out. Where is your son? Shouts the giant. She goes, believe me, come back in 2 years. I guarantee he will be fed, said Mbok Sarni. The giant believed in the word of Mbok Sarni. 2 years is not a long time, he spoke. After the death of the giant, Mbok Sarni looked for a way to save Timun Mas. She also prayed that God would give her a way out. One night, God answered her prayer. Mbok Sarni dreamed of meeting a hermit on the mountain. The hermit told Timun Mas to meet him. He will help Timun Mas. Timun Mas is indeed a brave child. He is not afraid when he finds out that the giant will eat it. Timun Mas was determined to meet the hermit on the mountain. Before leaving, he asked his mother for blessing. After days of climbing, Timun Mas finally arrived at the top of the mountain. He saw an old man with white hair and white robes. Sorry, grandfathers, my name is Timun Mas. My mother said, grandfather will help me fight the evil giant who wants to eat me, said Timun Mas. Oh, you named Timun Mas? Yes, I did come to meet your mother in a dream, my granddaughter. When the giant returns, run quick, Kyle, ordered the hermit. His footsteps are white. I must be easily caught, said Timun Mas, surprised. Take these 4 little packages. Throw them one by one as you run away, replied the hermit firmly. Timun Mas understand. He then said goodbye to go home. 2 years passed. It is time for the giant to return to take Timun Mas. Sure enough, suddenly there were footsteps and a booming scream. Mbok Sarni, where is your son? I am hungry, he shouted. Timun Mas replied, you greedy giant, eat me if you can. After saying that, Timun Mas ran as fast as a colt, and the giant immediately chased after him. Timun Mas kept running and running. However, he heard the giant footsteps getting closer. Timun Mas immediately opened the package given by the hermit's grandfather. The first package turned out to contain cucumber seeds. He threw it at the giant. A miracle happened. Cucumber seeds turned into very fertile cucumber fields. The giant's steps were held back by the cucumber fields. Timun Mas looked back. This is bad, he escaped. I must immediately open the second package. He took the second package contained needles. Timun Mas tried the needle. What happened? The needle turned into a tall and loose bamboo tree. The giant had to work hard to penetrate the bamboo tree. Timun Mas opened the third package. While continuing to run, he threw away the contents of the package, namely salt. Once again, a mistake happened. The salt turned into a vast ocean. However, the oceans did not become a barrier of the giants. He swam across the ocean and made it to shore. Timun Mas was surprised to see the giant power. The last package is the only hope. While praying, Timun Mas opened the fourth package. The contents are sheep pasta. With all his might, Timun Mas threw the sheep pasta toward the giant. What happened? The sheep pasta turned into a sea of boiling hot mud. The giant running fast could not stop his steps. He too fell into the mud. He screamed and struggled, but the more he struggled, the deeper the mud got into his body. He finally sank into the hot mud. Timun Mas stopped in his tracks. He was relieved to have saved himself. Exhausted, he walked back to his house. Boksarni, who continued to cry after the death of Timun Mas, was very happy to see his daughter return. They hugged and thanked God for his help, since the Boksarni has lived happily with Timun Mas.